classic one. The last day of trip that we're going, definitely gonna have a rain in the middle of England, Birmingham, something like that. This is a very cool hotel. Let's say an old-fashioned hotel. Basically, it stopped, not working, but stopped in time, like 80s last century. But it doesn't mean it's anything wrong here. It's clean, it's organized. The staff is awesome. They are just kind. They're not doing anything like miracles or something. They're just doing their job. That's it. So for one night hotel, perfect. And maybe for you guys who need internet connection, vloggers or maybe nomads, blah 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 blah. Here, surprisingly, you're getting it was 18 megabits upload and above 50 download.
So we are off and we are going home basically. Need to give back the keys and go.
Hiya.
Hiya. I just wanted to give back the keys.
Oh yeah, lovely, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Are you going anywhere nice today?
Basically we need to go home.
Okay.
Right, have a cigarette and let's go. There's our little dwarf.
Little? Ah, yeah, you're the big one.
Wallen.
Right, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Mr. Captain Slow, as always, in his glory. It's amazing how slow he is. Look at him. I bet I'm gonna stay here another 5 minutes. Yeah. He's almost there. Wow. Okay, let's go. Laughing now. See? Who's the guy now? He's taking ages. He's looking for his gloves. The funny story is I've seen them somewhere but I can't remember where. Got him. Got him. Yep. Got him.
and this is for the regular. 197 for regular one. Price of gas, it's ridiculous. Anyway, we have like 250 miles to get to the Ace Cafe, London, North London. Surprisingly, we have amazing weather whole week, but now it's freezing cold. Maybe because this constant speed and wind. So we're gonna put another layer of clothing and go. Anything but rain. Arthur, what did you do? What did you do? I told you, be careful.
I'm just a little bit messy sometimes. Sorry about that. I just wanted. It just happened. Sorry.
Do you see the prices on the screen? Look.
You have pretty high consumption in your
There you go.
and it all fits here. It's all in there. True story.
Yeah, almost. Oh yeah, much. Almost 2000.
Oh, the weather is fantastic.
Fucked up. Anyway. Hello. So we met some bikers. Always cool to meet the bikers. Are you going on Harleys as well? Yeah. Cool. Yeah, some of you, I heard, you going to the Ace Cafe.
Yeah.
So we just had an invitation to the Ace Cafe, Polish bikers event. So we're gonna go. I believe we're gonna take the rest of the road to Ace Cafe with them right now. Motherfuckers are everywhere.
Right, people, 2,000 miles. Now, just now.
gonna be at the Ace Cafe because it's raining. I mean, this is the famous Ace Cafe London, which is kind of our finish line. But where is everybody? Where are all those our friends and fans? Where are you people? Is this our meet and greet? Because there's no one here. Literally. So this is real end of the journey. I mean, we have a few miles to get home, but the Ace Cafe is a finish line for real. For this episode, let's say, this trip. Let's think what could be next. Cornwall, Ireland.
No, it's gonna be Cornwall. It's gonna be Cornwall, then it's gonna be Wales, I think.
Wales and then Ireland. Yeah.
Would anyone like... What is this?
Hello.
Hello.
That's the camera.
That looks like a camera. That looks like you've got a film star on there. Would you like a picture of you, your bike and your camera in front of the Ace Cafe, but without the beer can?
Why?
So as I can sell it to you.
First few minutes in London and someone wants to sell you something. That's a cut. That's official. 2,089 miles, 0.6 from this point. Thank you and goodbye.
No, just a second. I wanted to show you something. I need to take off my gloves for that. Do you want to see how my hands look after 300 miles on a Continental GT in the rain on the motorway?
Oh my! I'm speechless, dude. Anyway, this is what we did today. It's 317. Alright, it's time to say goodbye. Stay tuned for more happy pills.